All right, so here is our information. The first one is the slope is 2, the point is -3, -4. So with our ordered pair, remember what comes first. Your x value comes first, so that's x1. Your y value comes second, so that's y1. Now all you have to do is go and substitute this in place of the point slope form. So let's write the point slope form up here just so that you can remember what it is. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So all you're going to do is you're going to take these two numbers, plug them in here and here, take the m, plug it in there, and that's going to be it essentially. So we have y minus y1, and y1 is -4, okay? Oops, I'll make that blue. Is equal to m. M is 2 times x minus x1. x1 is -3. Now, the stuff in red is the stuff that I substituted. The stuff in blue is the stuff that was originally in the equation. When you're going to write something in point slope form, there's not a whole lot more that you need to do to this, except for, you see how you have two negatives here and you have two negatives here? We want to make sure that we simplify that and have one sign. So let's do that right now, okay? So when I do that, these two negatives make a what? A positive, that's right. So that's going to be y plus 4 is equal to 2 parentheses. And right here I have two negatives again, and those make a positive, so that will be x plus 3. Now that's basically it. That's all you have to do for point slope form. That's why I said this is usually a starting point. Most of the time you're going to take this and rewrite it in slope intercept, or you're going to rewrite it in standard form, but at least we're getting a little bit of practice so that you can just see what it looks like originally before we go and move it all around, okay? So now let's look at this one. All right, so this one, we're going to plug it right back into this again, okay? And I have y minus y1, y1 is 2, is equal to m is -1/2, times x minus x1. x1 is -4. So again, what I substituted, I put in red, and the original was in blue. So let's go ahead and simplify that a little bit. So that gives me y minus 2 is equal to -1/2, parentheses, x, and let's get rid of that double negative right there, and it makes a positive again. And that's all I have to do to that one. All I wanted you to do on this slide was to practice, rewriting your information into the equation. Because the most important thing is that A, you see that this is the equation that you need to do, and B, how to plug the information in. Because if you plug it into the wrong variable, then you're going to inevitably get the wrong answer, okay? So come back and I'm going to show you how to convert these between point slope form and standard, point slope form and slope intercept, whichever one it is that they ask you to find, okay? I'll see you in a minute.